Good morning and welcome back to the Road to Code 2018 and week 6 of 16 here at CodeClan in Edinburgh. So if you've not been following the channel, for the last 5 years prior to this I worked within the oil and gas industry offshore in Scotland, but I gave all that up to pursue a career in a field that I think's really on the rise, especially within Scotland with its ever-growing tech industry. So this week we started fresh back after the Christmas and New Year break, and we started on Java. So Monday we went over the fundamentals and why Java could be different from Ruby. We started going over array lists. We moved on to hash maps on the Tuesday. On Wednesday we covered enums and why it's important to use them to be able to store constants. Yesterday we went over inheritance and why it's really important to use the correct private, protected and non-modifiers so that your classes, packages and subclasses could talk to each other and be able to access the right information that they need. So today we're going to be given our homework for the weekend. I don't know what that's going to be. I think I'm going to be leaving a wee bit earlier today, but let's see what's what and we'll hit it there. Okay, so this week's homework we're just being given. We're going to have to create a hotel, and that hotel needs to have, well, I'll just show you. So the hotel needs to have rooms, different types of rooms. Each room will have a capacity and collection of guests, maybe an overnight rate, things like that. What I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to put the types of rooms within an array list, and then within that, within the bedroom, I'm going to have to create an enum for the different kinds of bedrooms. I've kind of been doing a wee bit up to now. I'll just show you what I've done, same way what I've been doing kind of every week. So here we've got the room superclass, we've got the room test, then the room type, that'll be the array list. We've got the room type test and the bedroom type. So working away at that, going to be working on it over the weekend. I think I'm going to have a meeting with Kat, who's the instructor here that deals with all the personal development award stuff, that obviously making sure that we're doing what we need to do, submitting the evidence that we need to do to be able to get the award at the end of the course. So I'm going to be working on this over the course of the weekend, and I think I might check in with you later on when I'm heading over to the other side in Edinburgh for a meeting. Okay, that's been a really quick day of the day, leaving a couple of hours early because obviously the whole point of doing this course, and at the end of the course I'm going to be looking for a job. So just after I started the course, obviously updating the LinkedIn, everything like that, all of my personal information. One of the companies in Edinburgh that deals with coding, digital marketing, content creation, all the things that obviously I've been doing for the last wee while, reached out to me, asked me to come along and have a wee meeting. So we might be meeting before Christmas. I got pushed aside because our schedules didn't match. So off to the other side of Edinburgh now to have a wee meeting. We'll check in again next week for week 7, and just thank you again for obviously following the road to code, and we'll see what next week brings. Cheers, see ya.